In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Amazon Fire TV stick step by step for the first time. So when you open your box, you're of course going to find your Fire Stick. This is what it looks like. And you'll notice at the bottom, there's this little port that a cable can go into. So you only have one cable in your box, so it's pretty straightforward. One side is going to be a USB, which is not going to fit in there. And then the other side can easily fit in. So you want to put that into your Fire TV stick. This is going to provide power to it. Once we get the other side, which is USB, and we're going to plug it into the power adapter that comes in the box as well. Now it's just a matter of grabbing that other end of the cable. You're going to plug it into the power adapter. And then from there, you're pretty much set up. It's just a matter of plugging these things in. So you want to plug that power outlet into the wall, and your Fire Stick, you can plug that into the back of your TV with the HDMI. Now, you're going to have a couple other things come in the box. An HDMI extender, which is needed if it's really crammed in the back of your TV, if you have multiple things plugged into your HDMI. That might be useful, but it is not required to set up your TV. As well as your Amazon Fire TV stick remote and batteries that'll come in the box that you can easily plug in to the back just by sliding the back cover off your remote so you're set up. So plug this electrical outlet into the wall and plug your Amazon Fire TV stick into the back of your TV. Now, once you've done that, the Fire TV logo should pop up on your TV. And if not, make sure to change the input on your TV with your old remote. And from here, you can select your language. And now we're going to be setting up with the remote. So simply press the select button, which is the middle button between the D-pad. Now it's going to scan for networks, your Wi-Fi connection. You are going to need it if you want to use apps. So find your Wi-Fi, and from here you can connect to the network by inputting your password, and then just go to connect, pressing the select button or the play pause button. So it's just going to take a couple moments to connect to the Wi-Fi, and then once your TV is fully updated, it's going to ask you to sign in with your Amazon account. So if you have an account, you can sign in or you can create a new one. You can also scan the QR code with the Fire TV app if you have it on your phone, or you can sign in manually pressing the menu button on your remote. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to sign in manually. So let me input my information. Once you've done that, press select on your remote, which is that middle button again, and it's going to register your Fire Stick with your Amazon account, which should only take a couple of moments. Now that it's successfully registered, it's going to welcome us. So we're going to go to continue since we've registered our Fire TV stick with the account. So let's do that now. We'll press select, and it's going to ask if it can save your Wi-Fi password to Amazon. We're going to go to yes. Just makes things more easy, and you can always disable it. Now you need to prepare your remote. You need to set it up. So select your brand of TV that you have. I'm using an Amazon Fire TV, which is kind of ironic. And next, it's going to ask you to adjust the volume on your TV. It's going to play some music just to ensure that it's working properly. And from there, you just press yes once you've done that. And now your Fire TV remote is successfully set up. So press the select button, go to OK. It's going to ask you if you want to sign up with Prime if you haven't already with your account. I'm going to go to not now. And same thing goes for Amazon Kids if you want to sign up for a free trial. I'm going to go to no thanks. Next, it's going to ask if you want to select some streaming services. We're going to skip that. And it's also going to ask if you want parental controls. I'm going to go to no for that one. Now it's just going to give us some tips. Welcome to your Fire TV. And now it's going to bring us to the sign-in page where you can select your profile. So I'm going to do that now. And this is what the main menu is going to look like on your Fire Stick. So I'd recommend just kind of going through it, navigating the space. You'll see a bunch of different apps the first time you load it, such as Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, etc. And there's also an app store where you can find a bunch of other stuff, such as YouTube, Paramount Plus. There's tons of applications that you can download on the App Store. It's just a matter of downloading and installing them. So I'll show you how to do YouTube right now. You just simply select it, pressing the middle button. From here, it's going to load. It might be a little bit slow. I have pretty fast internet, but it's still kind of slow. And then it's just a matter of pressing select to download, and it's going to put it in a queue to install it. And after a couple minutes, it'll automatically download. And from there, you'll be able to actually use it. So hopefully this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.